I need you to go ahead to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, and fix just this one setting, one single setting. This is really going to help you in growing your subscriber count, in getting watch hours, and also helping you to get more views. Guys, we all know that for YouTube to recommend your video, you are actually in control of it. Like, you can actually control it. I just discovered this beautiful thing 4 days ago after watching a popular big creator here on YouTube. He was giving we the small channels ideas to start implementing, and oh my god, I just tried it on my channel and one of my student channel, and I'm already seeing changes. So that is why I say you need to go ahead to your YouTube studio and get this single setting done right away. So if you are a small channel and you're coming across this video, I'm going to advise you now to really pay attention and just rush. You're not going to do it in your normal YouTube studio. It's the desktop version. So if you don't even know your way to the desktop version, just go to your Google Chrome or your search bar and type studio.youtube.com or YouTube dashboard. It's going to automatically make you get logged into the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Then we can now fix this beautiful setting. But before we even get to that, go ahead and look at this thing. It simply means that a lot of people have been searching for my name lately on YouTube. Like, almost all my videos lately, if I go to how people discovered it, apart from normal browse feature suggested and all, I discovered that people are now searching for my name on YouTube, which is a beautiful thing. I think the first one we have here, we have 28.8% of people searching for my name. From this other video, you can see 75% of the people that watch the video are actually searching for my name. This setting that we're going to be fixing in today's video will still help you get discovered by a whole lot of people. It's just a simple trick that once you start on your channel, you're going to start getting massive views. So guys, we're actually going to be doing two beautiful things now. The first one is in our YouTube studio, the setting aspect. We're going to be optimizing our keyword search. Yes, you know, for YouTube to recommend your video, for YouTube to bring out your video to people, you know, one thing that I want you to understand is that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So this is how it operates. People come up here on daily basis to search for something, how to do this, how to do that. So you have to put yourself in that beautiful position to be seen by people, and the only place you can be able to achieve this is by optimizing your keyword search very well. If you check earlier on, you will see that people are actually searching for my name in order to get to my video. So this particular setting that we are going to be doing today is going to trick the algorithm, because now you're not just only going to be putting your name in the keyword search, you're going to be putting other popular YouTubers' name in the keyword search, and I'm going to be explaining to you right now how that is done. So the first thing that I want you to do now is, whatever niche you are, be it vlog, be it gaming channel, you talk about how to grow YouTube account, how to sow this, any niche at all you belong to. What I want you to do now is to go ahead to YouTube search bar, look for a big creator in your niche, like a very big creator in your niche. Actually, I just wrote mine down in the piece of paper because I'm going to be reading them out to you to tell you how serious this particular thing is, because I'm going to be fixing all these settings in my YouTube studio right now, the desktop version. I've done it before, but I deleted it because of, for the sake of this tutorial. So we're going to be doing every single thing together. Once you've gotten the names of the people in your niche that are doing very well, that are excelling very well, I'm going to be telling you what we're going to be doing with those names. So in my list here, I have VDIQ, I have Think Media TV, I have Robert Benjamin, I have Marcus James, I have Ali Abdel. This one has over 6 million subscribers. These are people that are doing pretty well on YouTube, and you know that on daily basis people must surely come up here to search for their names right now. So what we are going to be doing now is to, if you are able to get like 4 people to 5 people that are doing exceedingly well in your niche, now what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be going straight to our YouTube studio, that setting aspect. we're going to include their names in it. So let's just take for instance, somebody comes up here and search for one of the names I include in my keyword search bar. Definitely YouTube might in one way or the other bring out my video for the person to also watch. This is the first thing. This is the number one thing. Then the second thing is that you are going to look at how well they are doing on their channel. Look at the things that they are doing, how they optimize their description on their channel homepage. Any keyword they use there, copy and go and paste it in your own description. Whatever thing that are doing that is making them exceed so mightily, make sure that you emulate them, copy it and go and paste it in your keyword research, because I believe it's those things that help YouTube in pushing their video. I was watching one of Mr. Beast's video one time last week, and he still made mention of this particular thing. So if all these big YouTubers are doing really great with just these small settings, then what are we waiting for? So right now we're going to be going straight to our YouTube studio. As I impute mine, you also will impute yours, and we're going to be looking for a popular YouTuber in my niche, and we're going to be including a lot of keywords in my keywords bar in the YouTube studio. So let's just go straight to our YouTube studio now and get this setting done. So this is the interface of my YouTube studio. The first thing we're going to be doing now is to come up to this setting aspect. So we're going to be clicking on the setting. Once you click on the setting, so it's going to bring you to this place where you have general, you have channel, upload default, add categories, that is if you're monetized, permission, community guidelines. And so we're going to be going ahead to click on channel. Now once you click on channel, you're going to see basic info, advanced setting and feature eligibility. First of all, just go ahead and set your country of residence very well. Now this is the main deal of the day: keywords. These keywords is really going to help YouTube to push out your video the right way, because like as I said earlier on, YouTube operates by search engines, so you have to impute every single thing concerning your niche down here. So I have channel growth, YouTube tutorial, how to grow your YouTube channels and all that. If you're doing vlog, a day in my life, spend a day with me, anything pertaining to vlog, how to do this one. If you are doing a gaming channel, just impute every single thing. I've given us expo. Go ahead to a popular person in your niche, check out the kind of keywords the person used in their channel homepage description, then copy it too. So from all the list of the big YouTubers I took earlier on, all these keywords that I have here, they also have it on their channel. So what I'm going to be doing now is to add more keywords to it. So I'm not going to be wasting your time by doing that here. I will do it as soon as I'm done with this tutorial. So what I'm going to be doing now is to be adding their names. I have list of 5 to 6 people here that I want to include in my keywords. So let's just go straight and start adding their names. The first person I have here is Marcus Jones. And please, when you're typing it, make sure that you don't make mistake, so that once people come up to search for their names, your channel might appear. So after typing the Marcus James, just go ahead and click on comma. It will automatically enter the box just like as it is. Then I have Robert Benjamin. I have VDIQ. These are people that is doing exceedingly well in my niche. So the minute someone comes up here and search for them, automatically my channel is supposed to come up. No, this is not the right way to write it. So just make sure you write their names the way you see it in their channel. The way you see it in their channel, make sure you write it exactly as it is. So guys, if you look closely, after imputing my popular YouTubers in my niche, I still went ahead to include some keywords like how to monetize your YouTube channel, YouTube monetization, YouTube growth tips, how to start up a YouTube channel, how to install, which is my category on YouTube here, that is my niche, YouTube growth, how to make money on YouTube, YouTube guidelines, just anything concerning what you do on your channel. Make sure everything is in this box. This way YouTube will be able to recommend your videos the right way, will be able to show your video to the right people, because any keyword you put here is going to reflect in anything you are doing on YouTube. That is why you need to study all these settings and understand it very well in order for you not to be misled. So guys, once you're done with every single setting here, go ahead and click on save. Click on save before you exit. Now we are going to be going straight to the other setting which I talked about earlier on, which is optimizing our YouTube homepage description with the right keywords. With the right keyword, in order for YouTube to be able to push out our videos to our right audience. So for the next setting, all we need to do is to come up to this customization side. But this setting can be done on your YouTube app, which is you just editing your description on your YouTube app, or you can also do it here. So once you come down to this description aspect, all you just need to do is to re-edit your description, put whatever your channel is all about, and also include keywords. Every single thing I have here, I'm still going to re-edit it, but I don't want to do it in order for this video not to be too long. So if you're wondering what this required down here is, if you go to my profile, you're going to see a link, and the minute you click on that link, it's going to automatically bring subscribe button for you. So it's an auto subscriber link generator which I created, and I placed it on my channel homepage, so that anybody that come across my channel for the first time is going to boldly see it and subscribe to my channel. Though I'm going to be dropping a video on that tomorrow, so if you're still interested in that video, you can also go straight to the comment section and drop it. Then let's see if I'll drop it tomorrow. So guys, believe me when I say, if you're able to fix these settings correctly the right way, your channel is going to breathe in new air and you start getting views. Alright guys, if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, so that it can get to a whole lot of people who need to hear this important information. And see you all in my next video. Bye.